Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to clear Roblox cache on Windows 11. Alright, so let's begin with the video. This is really useful if Roblox isn't opening properly, you're getting random errors, or the client is stuck while loading. First of all, make sure Roblox is completely closed on your computer. Once that's done, go ahead and open the Start menu, then search for Run and click on it. When the Run window opens, click inside the text box and type %temp% and press OK on your keyboard. After that, a temporary files folder will open. In this folder, scroll all the way down until you find a folder named Roblox. Once you see it, right-click on the Roblox folder and click Delete. These are only temporary cache files, so it's completely safe to remove them, and they won't affect your Roblox account or games. After deleting the Roblox folder, your Roblox cache is now cleared. And that's it. So that's basically how you can clear Roblox cache on Windows 11. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.